Now to slap the bag. Give it another slap.
The nuggets and chips, soya, sweet and sour sauce pie. If you haven't had a pie yet.
If you haven't had a pie yet, just get out of here, mate. If you haven't had a pie yet.
If you haven't had a pie yet.
If you haven't had a pie yet, what are you doing? What are you doing with your life?
Oh, not bad.
Yeah. Is it?
You got a chicken nugget?
Yeah.
I got an instant chicken nugget in there.
You can eat it on the run though.
You can eat all these pies on the run. That's about a pie. Wow. I'll give that pie about a pie out of 9.
Pie out of 9?
Pie times 10.
Pretty good.
I reckon that's the pie theorem. Math. Takes a while to get it down though.
Yeah. It's a dry. Is it from the dry pie?
Whoops.
Oh, it looks like a drop pie, mate.
Drop pie.